Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Okay, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? What's been going on? It is probably 10:30 at night. I'm about to get ready to go to work. Yeah, I was just checking in to speak and say hello. I hope everybody is doing well. Yeah, I'm about to go to work. I got tonight and tomorrow night, then I'll be off for 4 days. Yay! I'll be off. I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot wait. What y'all been up to? How was y'all weekend going so far? It is Saturday night. I slept all day today, y'all. I stayed up long enough to watch that new Tyler Perry movie, Divorce in the Black. Pretty good. I think I have to watch it again, y'all, because I'm pretty sure I fell asleep during most of it. I'm almost sure I did. So I'm gonna watch it again, maybe tomorrow when I come in. I'm gonna try to watch it again. And yeah, but anyway, y'all, I was just jumping on to say hello. I'm about to put on my shirt and some smell good and get up out of here. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is Monday, y'all. It's Monday and it's 12:20 p.m. I've been on the road since like 8:30 this morning. So I drove about 4 hours. I got about an hour and 20 more minutes till I get to my destination, y'all. I am tired. I came straight from work. I am tired, okay? Hold on. Let me turn this shit down. I am tired, baby. But I'm out here, almost to my destination, y'all. And I'm gonna lay it down. I gotta get me some sleep, baby. But yeah, y'all. So I'll be back in a little while and update you on my drive. Yeah, I'll be back, y'all.
Space